Magic School AI, a teacher's playground and a peek at student superpowers, the easy version. We've talked about the cool stuff Magic School AI can do, but now let's take a closer look at how it actually works. Buckle up, teachers and future students, we'll get to you in a sec, because we're going on an adventure. Teacher's playground, buttons galore. Imagine a super easy to use home screen, like your own personalized control center inside Magic School AI. Here, you'll find a bunch of buttons, each one leading to special tools to make your teaching life easier and more fun. Lesson Planning Lab, stuck for lesson ideas? This is your brainstorming buddy. Get ideas, find cool stuff to teach with, and build awesome lesson plans, all in one place. Assessment Alley, test making? No sweat. Design quizzes and tests with ease. Pick from different question styles, or let the AI whip one up for you based on what you're teaching. Feeling creative? Go wild. Differentiation Studio, every student learns differently, right? This studio helps you make lessons fit each student's needs. Think colorful pictures for visual learners, fun activities for busybodies, and extra challenges for brainiacs. Everyone gets to learn in a way that works best for them. Parent Post Office, keeping parents in the loop can be a pain. This tool helps you send updates and reports automatically, so families can stay informed about their kids' learning journey. Personalized learning paths, the AI could become your own personal learning guide, suggesting activities and projects that fit your strengths and weaknesses. It's like having a customized learning adventure. Feedback fun, getting feedback on your work wouldn't feel like a chore anymore. The AI could give you helpful tips to improve and show you how you're doing over time. It'd be like having a mini tutor in your pocket. Learning that levels up, imagine lessons that get harder as you get better. The AI could adjust the difficulty of what you're learning, so you're always challenged and never bored. Important note, remember, these student features are still being dreamed up. But wouldn't it be cool if Magic School AI became a superpowered learning place for everyone? The magic of choice, tools for every teacher. The best part about Magic School AI is that it works for all kinds of teachers. If you like things simple, you can use it for lesson planning and tests. If you're a tech whiz, you can explore all the fancy features and see what the future holds for students. No matter how you teach, Magic School AI gives you the tools to do it your way. By understanding the teacher features and peeking at the student possibilities, you can decide if Magic School AI should be part of your teaching toolbox. Get ready for some magical learning.